how to change email address on Bitget. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to your profile. At the top right, you can see your profile picture. Click on it right now. Once you do that, something like this will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is simply scroll right over to security. It's just a web identity verification. Click on it. And this is it, guys. This is the settings page. Now from here, what you need to do is simply scroll down till you see the email verification, and in this tab you can see the edit button. Click on it, and guys, this is it. Now what you need to do is simply enter your new email address right here, and once you've done that, all you need to do is click on this send button. Once you do that, a verification code will be sent to your new registered email address. Simply paste it right here and click on submit. That way, you can change your email address on Bitget. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.